He blinded his own son, married the most powerful queen of his time, and ruled an empire of intrigue. This is the untold story of Jahangir. Jahangir, the fourth Mughal emperor of India, was born on 9 September 1569 in the grand city of Fatehpur Sikri. His father, the legendary Akbar, adored him in his early years, but as Jahangir came of age, their once strong bond turned bitter, marked by rebellion and eventual reconciliation. After Akbar's death in November 1605, Jahangir ascended the throne, but his reign was anything but peaceful. Jahangir's early reign was challenged by his own son, Khusro, who, at just 17, led a military campaign against him. Jahangir captured Khusro and rendered him blind, a grim reminder of the turbulent Mughal succession struggles. In 1611, Jahangir's life took a significant turn when he met Mehrun-Nisa, a young widow. He wooed and married her, and she became known as Noor Jahan, light of the world, a woman of immense beauty and strength. Noor Jahan soon became Jahangir's favorite queen and wielded remarkable influence over him. Her family rose to prominence. Her father, Itimad-ud-Dola, became chief minister. Her brother, Asaf Khan, became a nobleman. And her niece, Mumtaz Mahal, married Jahangir's son, Khurram, in 1612. This strategic marriage would later pave the way for Khurram's rise as Shah Jahan. Under Jahangir's rule, the Mughal Empire remained a war state, constantly expanding its borders. One of his most challenging foes was Rana Amar Singh of Mewar, who capitulated to Khurram's forces in 1613. In the northeast, the Mughals faced fierce guerrilla tactics from the Ahams of Burma. Meanwhile, in northern India, Jahangir's forces defeated the Raja of Kangra in 1615. His victories in the Deccan further consolidated the empire's power. In 1620, Jahangir fell seriously ill, triggering a familiar Mughal tale of power struggles. Noor Jahan, ever the strategist, married her daughter to Shahryar, Jahangir's youngest son, hoping to secure the throne for her lineage. However, internal conflicts persisted, relations with the powerful Persians remained tense, and in 1622 they captured Kandahar, exploiting the Mughals' internal disputes. Shah Jahan rebelled against Jahangir and Noor Jahan, refusing to support them in the Persian campaign. His rebellion ended in defeat, but the terms dictated by Noor Jahan left lasting scars. By 1627, Jahangir's health had deteriorated significantly, and he passed away on 28th October of that year. His death marked the end of an era filled with political intrigue. With the support of Asaf Khan, Shah Jahan claimed the throne by executing Shahryar and other male Mughal heirs, solidifying his rule. Unlike his father Akbar, Jahangir lacked political enterprise, but he was an honest and tolerant ruler. He reformed society and maintained cordial relations with Hindus, Christians, and Jews. However, relations with the Sikhs soured after the execution of Guru Arjan Dev, the fifth Sikh Guru, for supporting Khusro's rebellion. Despite these challenges, Jahangir's reign saw the flourishing of art, literature, and architecture. The Mughal gardens in Srinagar stand as enduring symbols of his artistic sensibilities. Jahangir, an emperor of complexities, marked by rebellion, power struggles, and artistic brilliance. His legacy reflects the highs and lows of Mughal history, a saga of ambition, beauty, and enduring cultural achievements. Thank you for watching. Dive deeper into history by subscribing to Prospect Everything. Don't forget to like and share for more captivating stories.